FM9000 here. Today I'd like to talk you through how to set up one of these on your Mac through Logic Pro 9. This is the Alesis box iO2. It is basically a companion for any amateur musician wanting to sort of like record and do basic recording. It's like basically like a portable mixing desk, if you will. Very simple to use, and I'm going to show you how to sort of set it up and do a very basic, quick recording today. Quick side note, Logic Pro was actually updated last week. Normally I wouldn't be talking about it, but it was a significant update. It was from 9 to 9.1, and now it supports 64-bit, which basically means it'll utilize any RAM, any amount of RAM you have. So say you have, let's go berserk, 100 gigabytes of RAM, it'll utilize every single last gigabyte of RAM you have to basically make Logic perform faster and better. 32-bit only allowed up to 4 gigabytes of RAM, so that's a brilliant improvement there, really quite nice. Unfortunately, a few downsides, some plugins don't work anymore because they're not 64-bit supported, but developers are working on that as we speak, so right, on with the show. Obviously, I've got a bog standard printer cable, and I'm just going to, which is supplied with the Alesis box. I'm just going to plug it in. Also, you should see on the screen now that it should have detected the device. You do want to use it, yes. There should be a green light saying, just basically saying that there's power going into it. It's USB powered. Now, if I were to play something through Logic, nothing would happen because it's coming out of the Alesis box. So you'd actually have to plug headphones into the Alesis box. You can change this, however. If you go output device and go built-in output, it will now come through the speakers, which is what we want. Obviously, input device, we want the iO2 because that's what we're going to be recording with. Let's enlarge that a little bit. I've named the track guitar because that's what I'm obviously going to be recording. Before you do anything else, you must make sure that the input is on input 1, which is this input here, this side of the device. So it'll be recording from that side, and all the input will go in from there. I'm just going to very quickly grab my microphone. This is a Shure BG 1.1. I'm going to connect the male XLR into the female XLR on the device very simply. So it plugs in like so. And now I'm going to turn up the gain, which obviously means I can pick up levels, and I'm when you click record, it will ask you where you want to save any and all of your recordings. So basically, I'm going to just put this. Let's go YouTube, and then go save. Yep, let's use that. So now any recording that I make will actually be saved into that folder, basically. So you should be able to hear me tapping on that. Hello, you can hear my voice in stereo because I'm going through the built-in mic. Oh, okay, yeah, you get the idea. So basically, we're just going to record through this microphone. Unfortunately, I'm not very clever with this sort of stuff. I haven't actually got like a stand or anything yet, but I'm just very quickly getting my guitar. Could change the gain, so it should hopefully be going through. So basically now the levels are going through the microphone. Turn that down. The levels are going through the microphone and into Logic, so Logic is picking it up, and the sound is going through. So you're now set up and you're basically ready to go. So I'm just going to do a very, very quick recording, just to show you how it works. So all you need to do is hit the record button, and off you go, basically. Where's my pig? There it is. Come here. that's pretty much it. That's all you're going to get out of me. Obviously, yeah, very basic guitar skills there. Not fantastic, but for the purposes of sort of showing you how easy it is to sort of set up the iO2, it's perfectly fine. So now I will just turn this game down. Now I can go back and basically listen to what I've recorded. I'm not too sure how it's going to come out, but so the levels are going through now. Obviously, it's playing back what I've recorded. Obviously, through the box, I can obviously change the master volume. I can change the gain on that, so it decreases and all that kind of good stuff. I can now actually, if I just loop this. And then go EQ. I can change the EQ. It's guitar bright. Let's put a bit of reverb on here. Let's go small spaces. And there you go. I basically just very quickly edited it, and it's very basic, very simple, very quick to do, and that is I'll just stop that. And that's how you basically set it up to Logic and just start recording. So I'll just run that through very quickly again. You basically just plug in the Alesis box. You plug in your microphone, or if you have an electric guitar, you can actually plug straight into the guitar or line input, but obviously as I'm using an acoustic guitar I can't, but you just basically plug straight into there and set your gain and off you go again. You may have to sort of flick the switch to guitar, because that's obviously it picks up a different signal, and you might have to switch it to digital as well, but that's fine. You can record two things simultaneously, obviously, because it's got two inputs. Change the gain on both of them. And that's about it, off you go. And as long as you set your inputs to, be the correct input, then you're good to go. You just basically hit record and you're off. So that was me just showing you how to set it up and how it works. I'm not too sure what sort of video I'll do next, but this is sort of part of the Logic sort of series I'm doing, and on the Alesis box, obviously. So please rate, comment, subscribe. I do want to hear your views and opinions. I'm going to be doing a lot more Logic videos to come. I'm not too sure when, but follow me on Twitter for any more information. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.